Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the gallery page in Squarespace. Gallery pages are perfect for showcasing your work, whether it's photography, products, or any visual content you want to display in an organized, professional way. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're on the home page, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and their content. Once you're on the dashboard, simply click on the website you want to work with. If you have multiple sites, make sure you select the right one. This action will open up that specific website's editor, giving you access to all the customization tools you need. On the left side menu, click on Website to expand the options available. Under it, you'll see several choices, but for this tutorial, click on Pages. This is where you'll manage all the individual pages of your site, including adding, editing, or removing them. Now let's add a new page. You can choose where you want to add this page, either in the main navigation, so visitors can see it in your menu, or in the Not Linked section if you want to keep it hidden or accessible only through direct links. For this tutorial, we'll add it to Not Linked, so click on the plus icon beside Not Linked. A menu will appear with different page types. Under the Showcase category, select Gallery. This page type is specifically designed to display images in various layouts, making it ideal for visual content. Once you've selected it, click Edit to start customizing your gallery. Now navigate to the section where the gallery is located and click Edit Gallery. This opens up the gallery editor where you have full control over your images. Here you can edit existing images, add descriptions to provide context, and upload new images to expand your gallery. If you want to remove an image, simply place your cursor over it and click the trash can icon that appears. This gives you complete flexibility in curating exactly what you want to display. After organizing your images, go back to the section and click Edit Section. This is where you can customize how your gallery looks and functions. You'll see multiple options for the gallery type with choices between grid and slideshow layouts. Choose whichever format best suits your content and aesthetic preferences. You can also adjust the width to control how much space the gallery takes up on the page. Under Layout Options, you'll find settings for aspect ratio, which determines the shape of your images, the number of columns to display, and spacing between images. There's also an option to show or hide captions depending on whether you want viewers to see the descriptions you've added. Additionally, you have access to more advanced features like adding animations for visual interest, enabling lightbox mode so images can be viewed in full screen, adding dividers between sections, and even creating anchor links for easier navigation. Once you're done creating and editing your gallery page, simply click Save. Your gallery is now ready and will display exactly how you've configured it. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized a gallery page in Squarespace, giving you a professional way to showcase your visual content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.